Git workflow for AWS Elastic Beanstalk. Git workflow for AWS Elastic Beanstalk. What is a Git workflow for AWS Elastic Beanstalk? A Git workflow for AWS Elastic Beanstalk is the structured process teams use to manage application code and deployment configurations safely using Git. It defines how application code is updated, how environment configuration is changed, how bugs are fixed, how production deployments are controlled, why it matters for Elastic Beanstalk. Applications run continuously. One bad deploy can break the live app. Rollbacks must be easy. Updates happen frequently. So workflow equals stability plus control plus safe deployments. Why Elastic Beanstalk projects need a proper Git workflow? Elastic Beanstalk projects usually include application source code, environment configuration files, build scripts, deployment settings, logs and monitoring configs. Without workflow, cross-mark broken production deployments, cross-mark hard rollbacks, cross-mark configuration mistakes, cross-mark merge conflicts, cross-mark no clear release history. With workflow, check mark stable applications, check mark predictable deployments, check mark easier debugging, check mark safer releases, check mark better teamwork. Typical branch structure for Elastic Beanstalk. Common structure. Main means production ready app. Develop means active development. Feature branches means new features. Release branches means prepared deployment. Hotfix branches means urgent fixes. Example: main, develop, feature, user profile, feature, payment API, release, version 2.0.0. Hotfix, env crash. Why? Protects live environment, supports parallel development, enables controlled releases. Feature branch workflow. Elastic Beanstalk. For each task, create branch from develop, implement feature or fix, run app locally, test with staging environment, commit changes, push branch, open pull request, review and merge into develop. Why? Isolates risky changes, prevents breaking production, enables review. Bad practice. Cross-mark work directly on main. Cross-mark deploy without review. Good practice. Check mark one feature per branch. Check mark one fix per branch. Pull requests in Elastic Beanstalk projects. PRs are used to review application logic, review configuration changes, check deployment impact, run automated tests, validate environment behavior. PR should include check mark clear description, check mark linked issue, ticket, check mark environment notes, check mark test results. Why? Prevents production failures, documents changes, improves quality. Bad PR. Cross mark no description, cross mark no testing, cross mark huge PR. Commit strategy for Elastic Beanstalk. Commits should be small, atomic, descriptive, good commit messages, add health check endpoint, fix deployment timeout, update environment variables, bad commit messages, update, fix, final. Why? Easy rollback, easy debugging, clean history, daily workflow in Elastic Beanstalk teams. Typical flow: pull latest develop, create feature branch, write code, test locally, commit changes, push branch, create PR, review and merge. Why? Prevents conflicts, keeps work isolated, keeps app stable. Hotfix workflow for Elastic Beanstalk. When production fails, create hotfix branch from main, fix issue, test quickly, create PR, merge into main, merge into develop. Why? Fast recovery, keeps branches aligned, prevents repeat failures. Example: hotfix, deploy error, Release strategy for Elastic Beanstalk. Releases should be planned, tested, versioned. Good approach. Create release branch. Freeze features. Run full tests. Deploy to staging. Deploy to production. Tag version. Example. Release, version 3.1.0. Why? Safe deployments. Easy rollback. Clear version history. Code review culture. Elastic Beanstalk teams. Review focuses on application logic, configuration changes, environment impact, error handling, rollback strategy, not personal opinions, blame, style wars. Why? Fewer crashes, better reliability, knowledge sharing, CI/CD in Elastic Beanstalk workflow. Automation should run unit tests, build application package, deploy to staging, run smoke tests, deploy to production. On every PR, run tests, run lint, check configs. Why? Prevents broken deployments, saves time, builds confidence. Tools: GitHub Actions, GitLab CI, AWS Code Pipeline, Jenkins. Common Elastic Beanstalk Git mistakes. Direct commits to main. No PR reviews. No tests. Manual production changes. No version tags. Why? Risky deployments. Hard debugging. Poor release history. Naming conventions. Branches. Feature, login flow. Feature, file upload. Release, version 1.5.0. Hotfix, env bug. Commits, add, fix, update, refactor. Example, fix memory leak in service. Why? Easy tracking, professional history, easy auditing. How Git workflow helps Elastic Beanstalk projects scale. As application grows, more users, more features, more developers, more deployments. Good workflow. Check mark keeps code manageable. Check mark improves onboarding. Check mark reduces failures. Check mark controls complexity. Real life analogy. Elastic Beanstalk Git workflow is like restaurant kitchen system. Without system, chaos. With system, clean service. Branches equals workstations. PRs equals quality checks. Main equals food served. In simple words, Elastic Beanstalk Git workflow means build carefully, test before deploy, review changes, release safely. Best strategy for Elastic Beanstalk projects. Use check mark feature branches, check mark release branches, check mark mandatory PRs, check mark carbon monoiodide CD automation, check mark protected main branch. Avoid cross mark direct main commits, cross mark no testing, cross mark no reviews. In AWS Elastic Beanstalk projects, your code controls live applications. A good Git workflow. Check mark protects production. Check mark supports teamwork. Check mark reduces downtime. Check mark builds trust.